General Science, 5th lesson, Substances in the Surroundings, Their States and Properties. Hello students, welcome to e-learning session. Today we will start 5th lesson, Substances in the Surroundings, Their States and Properties. The first question at the starting of lesson is asked like this. Name the solid, liquid and gaseous states of water. The solid state of water is ice. Liquid state is water. While gaseous state of water is called as water vapor at normal temperature. But when the water is very hot, at that time these water vapors are called steam. Now change in the state of a substance. So when a substance changes from one state to another, this process is called change of the state of a substance. We'll understand with activity. Candle, it is made up of wax. See, near flame we see the wax is melting, and see, this is a molten wax which is falling down. Okay, so this wax when heated, it melts. It means there is a change of state of wax. If we blow, we see the flame of a candle. This flame is nothing but gaseous state. See, in this pic, we can see the solid pieces of wax which then heated with the help of spirit lamp. On heating the solid wax, it starts melting and it melts. So when this wax melts, it turns to liquid state. When we stop heating, we can see the vapor of wax. And we can identify it with the help of its characteristic smell. So with the help of activity and this pic, we understood that when substance is heated, there is a change in the state of a substance. So this change is called as a change of a state of a substance. The substance which was earlier in solid state undergoes change and turns to liquid state. If we continue heating that same substance, it starts boiling and then we see the vapors on the surface. With the bubbles, we can see vapors also. So there is also change of a state. These are the substances: spirit, camphor, petrol, ghee, coconut oil, naphthalene balls, ammonium chloride. The another name of ammonium chloride is Navsagar. Now some questions are asked there. Which one freezes in winter? We know that ghee and coconut oil, they freezes in winter. So which liquids have you seen change into a vapor? We know that petrol, it changes into vapor, while which solids directly changes into gaseous state? We know that camphor, naphthalene balls and ammonium chloride changes into gaseous state. Directly it changes into gaseous states. So again, you see naphthalene balls, we keep it in clothes. They have characteristic smells. So when we keep it in clothes, have you seen they turns to liquid? No, they directly vaporizes. Okay. So these naphthalene balls, camphor and ammonium chloride, they directly changes. These are the solids which directly changes into gaseous states without entering into liquid state. Again, one famous example of such type of solid is iodine. Students, when a solid substance is heated, there is a change of state takes place and it turns to liquid. Suppose if we continue heating that liquid, what happens? It turns to gaseous states. It means when a substance is heated, there is a change in the state of a substance takes place. So on heating the substance, its state gets changed. For example, ice. When we heat ice, what happens? It turns to water. When we continue the heating that water, it turns to water vapor. Okay. And suppose these water vapor, that is hot water vapors, means steam, if the steam is cooled, it turns to droplets of water, and if we cool again these droplets, they turns to ice. Familiar example is our tiffin boxes. So many times we pack hot chapatis in that lunch box, and while eating during recess, what we see, droplets of water from inside that box. From where do these droplets came? These droplets means the water vapor from the hot chapatis. It when they come in contact with cool surface of tiffin box, condensation process takes place and we see droplets of water. Okay, from this can we say that the state of a substance, it changes if it is heated or cooled. So every substance in our surrounding is found in either the solid state or the liquid state or gaseous state. The familiar example is water. When water is heated, it turns to water vapor. It means water is in liquid state. When this liquid water is heated, we see steam. Hot water vapor is called as steam. And if we keep a water filled in bowl in a deep freezer, what will happen then? It cools and turns to solid, that is ice. Students, in the 19th century, the scientist J. Willard Gibbs showed that the characteristic properties of a substance depend on its physical state and the arrangement of particles in it. Now, about it we'll learn in detail in next session. Till then, students, bye.